Let's look at the solutions of algebra bytes. First question is x positive? First data point given is x is greater than x square. Now we only have to answer the question of whether x is positive or not. We know about any square number, it has to be x square has to be greater than equal to 0. So x has to necessarily be greater than 0. So data 1 is independently sufficient. Data point 2, x cube minus x square minus 2 is greater than 0. This means x cube is greater than x square plus 2, which means x cube is positive. And if x cube is positive, of course, that also means x is positive. So data point 2 is also independently sufficient. So data 1 and data 2 both are independently sufficient. Answer to the question should be option 2. Mark 2 if each statement independently can answer the question. Next, if x and y are real numbers such that x square plus 3x by 9 plus 3y is equal to y plus 3 by 18, and this is equal to 54 by x square plus 3x, then find the value of the expression y square minus 3y upon x square plus 3x. Okay. The first thing I can see here is in this denominator here, if I take 3 out common, I get y plus 3 again. So I'm just taking the first two portions. X square plus 3x by y plus 3 is equal to y plus 3 by 6. I'm cancelling out the 3's from there. Or x square plus 3x is equal to y plus 3 whole square by 6. I know this much. Okay. Now I'm going ahead and using these two now. These two. Y plus 3 is equal to 18 into 54 by x square plus 3x. Using this, y plus 3 whole square by 6, it goes to the top, becomes this. So I have y plus 3 whole cube is equal to 6 into 3 into 6 into 3 into 3 into 6. Okay. So y plus 3 is equal to 18 or y is equal to 15. This is wonderful. If I know y is 15, I know x square plus 3x is equal to 15 plus 3 whole square, 324. 324 divided by 6 is 54. The denominator is 54. The numerator is y square minus 3y. So 225 minus 45. So this is 180. So if I cancel out the 18, I'll be left with 10 by 3, or option A will be the answer. Next, what is the sum of the square of roots of equation x cube plus ax square plus bx is equal to 5? Okay. Sum of square of the roots of the equation. Let this equation have three roots, L, M, and N. Now we know, looking at this expression, L plus M plus N is equal to minus A, and LM plus Mn plus Ln is equal to B. We finally need L square plus M square plus N square, and this is as good as L plus M plus N whole square minus 2 times of Lm plus Mn plus Ln. Okay, so I finally have minus A whole square minus 2B, or eventually A square minus 2B, or option B is the answer here. Next, 1 unit of A is made by mixing 2 units of B and 5 units of C. 1 unit of B is made by mixing 1 unit of X and 4 units of Y. 1 unit of C is made by mixing 2 units of X and 6 units of Y. The weight of 1 unit of each of X and Y is 5 kg and 3 kg respectively. What is the total quantity of Y in kg required to make 1040 kg of A? Okay, let's start working slowly. X weighs 5 kg and Y weighs 3 kg. So when I'm trying to make B, B is made with 1 unit of X and 4 units of Y. So X will weigh 5 kg here and Y will weigh 12 kg here, or altogether out of 17 kg of B, X and Y will get split this way. For C, X and Y are, C is made up of 2 units of X. So 10 kg of X and 6 units of Y and 18 kg of Y. So 28 kg of C. 1 unit of C is 28 kg, of which X is 10 kg, Y is 18 kg. Okay. Now when I'm trying to make A has 4 units of B, so overall 68 kg. 1 unit had 17 kg, so 4 units will have 68 kg. Will get divided in the same ratio, 5:12. So X here will be into 4, so 20, and Y would be 48. Okay, and C 5 units, so 140 kg total, of which 10 by 28. So X would be 50 and Y would be 90. So in total, out of 208 kg of A, Y is 138 kg. Why I'm only concerned with that is the final thing that I have to work with. What is the total quantity of Y required to make 1040 kg of A? Can I go 138 by 208 into 1040? Cancel. I get 5. 138 into 5 would be equal to, I need 690 kg of Y to make 1040 kg of A. Answer is 690 here. Last question, and this is my sort of favoritist question in this entire week of questions. Total number of bananas with 3 friends, Moti, Sumit, and Mankey together is 10. If the sum of reciprocal of the number of bananas with the 3 friends is 1, what is the absolute difference between the number of bananas with Moti and Sumit? Okay, let's see. We have A plus B plus C is equal to 10, and 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is equal to 1. There is no way to solve this. Except being visually aware of what is happening here. The only values that can potentially be used are 4, 4, and 2. In which order, we don't really know. But 4, 4, 2 is the only solution set that you can create here. And with that knowledge in mind, if this is the only solution set that can be created here, then 1 minute, then, or potentially there is one more solution set, 5 and 5. You cannot have 0 because then this would become bad. 4, 4, 2 is the only solution set possible here. With that in mind, what is the difference between the number of bananas with Moti and Sumit? So Moti minus Sumit would be equal to 2 or 0. These are the two possibilities. So answer to this question has to be option D, either 1 or 3, either option A or option C. This is the only possibility. That will be all for this set. Hopefully you learned something.